friends, and welcome back to Number Corner. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera so you can see my pocket chart full of all our 10 frames that we looked at a couple of weeks ago, or about a week ago. And if you recall, there are different ways to make the same total. For example, not going to use one because that's pretty much looks the same. But if you look at 3 here, there's 2 ways to make 3. I could do 2 and 1 or 3 and 0. Or if I look here at 7, I can do 4 and 3 or 5 and 2. Or if I look over here at 4, I could do 2 and 2 or 4 and 0. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at different ways to make these numbers. So I'm going to turn my screen again this way, and in hopes you can see my desk here. So we're going to do some examples of different ways to make a number. So I have my little baggie. Wrong baggie. Sorry, friends. So while I'm doing this, you can be setting up, okay, love bugs? So I have my baggie of numbers, and I want you to try to make the number 2 different ways. So let's see. The first number I picked was 2. So look at that, 2. So I can make 2 different ways. I'm trying to make it so you can see this. The 5 frame. So one way I can make 2 is to put them both up here. And that would represent 2 and 0 if I'm comparing my top line and bottom line. Or I can do this. Look at that. I could do 1 and 1. So that is 2 different ways to make 2. All right, I'm going to clean my board. I'm going to do another number and take out of the box. Let's see. How about, we just did this one. What's that number? 6. So what are the different ways we can make 6? So I can do 3 and 3. I could do 3 and 3. That's one way I can make 6. I can also do 5 and 1. There's actually another way. Can you think of another way? Ooh, did anybody try 4 and 2? 4 and 2 is another way to make 6. All right, we're going to do one more. All right, what's this number? 4. So I'm going to clear my board. And this time I'm going to make 4 different ways. So again, I could do the way that we've learned most of the time. This is the way we see it mostly, like that. And that would look like 4 and 0. Or I can do it like this. 2 and 2. There's another way. Look at that. What combination did I use this time? 3 and 1. So I want you to have fun doing that. Try to go through all the numbers from 0 to 10, since that's what we have. Or 1 to 10, I guess you should say, because you can't really make 0. 0 is nothing. But go ahead through the numbers, play with your counters, and if you don't have cubes, you can use like pennies, you can use rocks. Anything that fits in a little box, make sure you draw out a 10 frame and go ahead and build some numbers. How many ways can you make your numbers? Have fun. Bye.